Hi, I'm Dr. Knies with Rose Injectables. Today I'd like to discuss my favorite procedure that we offer here at our office for women specifically. So that is going to be our Perky Peach. Perky Peach is the name that we have for the device called Empower or Votiva or Forma-V.
Perky Peach uses bipolar radio frequency to tighten the muscles of the pelvic floor as well as the vaginal canal, and can also help increase sensitivity to the area. By tightening that pelvic floor, we can also help with urinary stress and urge incontinence.
There's not a lot of attention spent on women and the symptoms that they have with aging. This is a procedure that we can perform that's a vaginal treatment, internal and external, to help remodel that tissue, build collagen, help strengthen the muscles of the pelvic floor so that we can deal with symptoms like stress urinary incontinence or urge incontinence. The things that you were told were normal or you just thought were normal with aging, which is leaking when you sneeze, you know, if you're doing jumping jacks and you're leaking, or you just can't get to the bathroom on time because your bladder you just think isn't strong enough. And so we can deal with all those issues in our office, non-surgically, and get you amazing results. This device is a bipolar radio frequency so that temperature is maintained and it senses the temperature 1,000 times per second. We can also achieve a depth that we can penetrate through not just the mucosal superficial layers, but then all the way to the muscle layers so that you can get some strengthening of those pelvic floor muscles, and that's where you get improvement in your incontinence symptoms as well. If I have a person who's got more issues with urge incontinence and maybe we've got a lot more sort of tissue damage over time, we've got something called Morpheus-V. So the same technology that we use for the face and neck or body or arms or other areas of the body where we're stimulating collagen production. So collagen induction therapy is what this Morpheus-V is going to be doing. So just say you've got a weak pelvic floor muscles, you feel like your tone is gone, you've got maybe rectus diastasis, we need to strengthen everything. Well, that's where V-Tone comes into play. So V-Tone is an internal device that's an EMS technology. So if you want to think maybe Kegels on steroids, where it's going to help contract those internal muscles to strengthen them at a way that you're not able to do yourself. When we use the V-Tone, we also encompass our Evolve X body contouring machine, and we actually put the tone device on the abdomen as well. So we're going to stimulate those muscle contractions and strengthening internally and externally all at the same time. Typically, we're looking at 3 treatments. So we space them about a month apart. Most women can notice result changes, some immediately as soon as we finish, and others at about 2 weeks. For the procedures, there's no pain involved, so you can have significant improvements without surgery, without significant downtime. For Perky Peach, there's no downtime. You heal right away. You can expect to get a significant amount of time. Everybody's going to be a little different, but a lot of people do report having improvement in symptoms or resolution of their symptoms for years.